what this challenge is even called, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna aim for 3 posts. Gonna go for the left one first, then the crossbar, then the right post. And that's the challenge complete. I guess the least number of attempts that I do, the better. Obviously, ideally, you'd want to get 3 attempts, but that takes some technique, so give it a go. Alright, attempt 1. Oh, I have to finish though. Attempt 2. This could be going on for a while. Attempt 3. Attempt 4. I think this is attempt 5. I'm gonna get it eventually. Attempt 9. These techers are on the decline. Okay.
Eventually.
I ain't even got no more words. Attempt 10. It's a screamer as well. Took me 10 attempts to hit the left post. Now I'm going for the crossbar. I've already hit it once. I'll try hitting now. Aiming for the right post now. Took me 10 attempts to hit the left. Took me 1 to hit the crossbar. That's 11 in total. Try to hit the right one now. Not too far off. Second attempt. Attempt 3. Yes! So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, I completed it in 14 attempts. The left post let me down a little bit in the end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Leave your comments down below saying how many attempts you did it in. Subscribe around here if you are new. I'll see you for the next one. Take care. Safe. Wait, did I hit twice? Mad ting.